Hello my glamorous babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha and my channel is Glamorous Mimi. As you know, I sound a lot better. Hey, the tea does work. The tea does work. But before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe at the bottom if you want to become a glamorous babe with me. Sparkle glamorous like me. To my family, make sure you just subscribe, and while you're at it, hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos when I post. And definitely, if you enjoy my content, most definitely subscribe and help me get to 200 subscribers, if that's not even trouble to do. But you read that title, you read that thumbnail, you click on this video, so you want to know what this video about. Is this wonderful hair I'm wearing, and I made it yesterday, so I just did a video today with something like that. But I did hair, so why not keep talking? Just let's jump right into it. This is the Sensational Body Wave and T1B Rose Gold, and this is the Batik bundles line from Sensational, and it's the inch bundles are 18, 20, and 22. So this is the weaving cat I use. Of course, it's on my styrofoam head, and the weaving cat is not the best, but I made the best out of doing my wig. This is my lace closure, and of course it looks so good. It got the baby hairs and the lace, so yeah, this is my closure. These are the bundles, 18, and it's very thin, and got the 20 thin and the 22, and they did go have the both bundles that I was showing. So yeah. Here is the half completed head, the hair, so I'll just continue doing what I do. This hair I ordered from Sans Beauty from months ago. I just had it in my room, just threw it away, but I decided to do something with it, with it. So I decided to make me another wig by sewing it down on a weaving cap. Yeah. So I'm just goes into details what I think about this hair, do a review on what I think of this hair. But this hair is from Sans Beauty, and I will link everything in the description box for you to know if you want to purchase this hair. Me personally, I'm spontaneous and I'm sophisticated because I'm very spontaneous. I like to go out my comfort zone. I like trying new things, but we're not gonna get into that. But as for hair, I like trying new hair because I'm light skinned and I can rock any color that I want. But I'm not saying that you can't rock any color, because you might be a different skin tone for me. So enough about that. So this is one complete pack, and I got this from Sans Beauty, and it's one complete pack, and the bundles were 18, 20, 22. So this was good, but I think preferably, yeah. But the color I purchased was T1B/rose gold, and of course you see the black and the rose gold, like a pasty pink or pastel pink or off pink, whatever you got color, but it's a touch of rose gold to it. This is one complete pack with multi bundles, and it comes with multi-length bundles with 2 multi-length bundles. So it was like a great deal, but of course just the webs are very thin as usual, unless you're buying human hair from a vendor, AliExpress. That webs is not thin, but when you're buying synthetic hair, the webs are thin, or human hair blend, the webs are thin. The hair does shed. I'm gonna let y'all know, synthetic hair or human hair blend does shed. It's no doubt to it, because it can't It always sheds. When I get hair, it's always sheds. When I like wearing these hair because it like is you use it and just do away with it for a while until you get some more. So until I get human hair, that's where the real deal come in. I drink that like gold. So what else? This hair does have premium fiber hair blend. It says it on the pack, like premium human hair and premium fiber blend right here. It says it right up in here what it has, and of course I already said cover it. It's synthetic, that's why it sheds. It did come with a closure, a lace closure with the lace and the baby hairs. Yes, the baby hairs. So I'm gonna just cover that, because when you seen the video I did cover the to show the baby hairs and all of that. But other than that, yeah. What else? I did sew this hair on a weaving cap because I want to try something different with the weaving. Instead of a dome cap, I use a weaving cap because I don't know, because I just want to do something different. But I would tell you a tip of advice: stick with your usual. The weaving cap was very complicated on my styrofoam head. Unless this was my styrofoam head, I don't know. It was very complicated to sew down, because on the styrofoam head you can't grip it like you want to, and the weaving cap was stretchable. That's what I like about the weaving cap, because it was stretchable. It was very stretchable, and I really like that. So I'm not trying to make this video too long, so I just want to cover it, but review it myself, tell you about it, what I think about the hair. But other than that, that's what I thought about the hair. But the real deal is my real actual review on this hair. Like I'm about to tell you now, I give this hair a 7, because if they provided at least one more bundle, like a 24, I would be okay. Yeah, I thought somebody came in my house, but anyway, where was I? If they provided at least one more bundle, I would be satisfied. And I had to double the webs to make it full like I wanted, because like this hair, the web was so thin, I had to double it. Like had to lay double it to make it full like I wanted. But it wasn't full as I thought, as that under my last review on the Outre Batik Roll Natural Yaki hair. But them webs were very thin, but they had 4 bundles. The hair was long, the hair was beautiful. I still got the wig. I still have the wig, and it's still hot glued to that dome cap. It hasn't came up or nothing. So I've been that hair was very rough with the hair, and it still hold on. But anyway, back to this hair. But if they provide another weft or bundle, it'd be okay. That's why I give it a 7, because it's not full like I want it. It looks full on camera, but it's not full as I want it. But anyway, you get what you buy, so oh well. So but this is my review on this hair. I just don't have nothing else to say about this hair, because it's not like a disappointment, but the hair the color is cute, very cute on me and anybody else. I'm not trying to bash nobody. Like the skin color, my skin color is better, but it's not better because other people can rock this hair as well. Don't get yourself in the band like you can't rock it, but you can rock it. I don't know that, because I don't see too many other people just wear this hair, because I get bashed because that's too light for your skin. You should do this, you should do that. No, I'm not gonna listen to you, because you're not me, right? So other people's opinion don't matter, so whatever. As you can see, this hair is this long, and I started on the bundles all back because I started with the 20 and ended up with doing the 22 in the middle and the 18 up front as usual. But I did start with the 20 first, so I didn't want the 22 be long, but I do want the excuse me, the 22 be full in the middle, so that's why I start with the 21st. So this is the end of my video. This is the end of my review. This is my final review on this hair because, yeah, I told you earlier I don't have nothing else to say about this hair. And my advice, a tip of advice, never use a weaving cap on a styrofoam head. Make sure you have a stable mannequin head, like the one that sit on the real mannequin. And y'all know what time it is. It's time for the slow motion. But anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. And make sure you subscribe to my channel and become a Glamorous Babe with me. And help me get to 200 subscribers. And I see y'all in the next video. And y'all don't forget to subscribe to my vlog channel, Glamorous MiMi TV. So go over there and subscribe to Glamorous MiMi TV to see all my vlogs. I did Disney on Ice because I went to see Disney on Ice on Friday of next week. So go subscribe to that channel. I know it's not put together, way put together and stuff like that, but I'm still working on doing vlogs, just to put it out there. I'm still working on that. And I see y'all Glamorous Babe in the next video. Bye.